Hey everybody, my name is Nick Woodard, and today we're going to be working on 5 freestyle skills you should be focusing on after you feel comfortable with your single bounce, all right? So the first skill that we're going to get into is a skier. Let me show you what this looks like. Looks something just like this, going side to side. So when you are getting ready to do this skill, you want to make sure that you get your single bounces going first, all right? One thing that you're already comfortable with. Then your feet are simply going to go side to side. It doesn't have to be a huge movement at all. You're just going side to side like you're going over a line. So we recommend getting your feet going first, getting your single bounces going, and then you go side to side to complete your skier. The next skill we're going to get into is a speed step. I'm going to face sideways for this one so you can see what my legs are doing, but it's more of a little jog step, just like so, all right? You see a lot of people doing this one in the gym, and it's always fun to try. So when you're doing this one, we always recommend that you kind of get into like a marching motion, just like this, right? We don't want you kicking back because that's where you can kind of actually catch the rope. So you want to be marching just like so, and you might start off slow, all right, and then build your way up. Try not to stay there if you can. Try to build your way up a little bit quicker because you're probably going to want to go fast. If you go fast, that means that your wrists also have to go fast. So make sure your wrists and your feet are working together to make your speed step work the entire time, all right? And once again, my knees are coming up just like so, all right? The third trick we're gonna get into is just some side swings, all right? So side swings, simply you're swinging from side to side. We tell people it's like you're rowing a boat kinda, but you're going from side to side. This can be a recovery movement, right? If you're working out, but it's super simple. What you wanna do after you get your side swings is actually add some jumps in there. So you wanna swing as many times as you want. You're gonna open up when you get to the top of that swing. As it's falling in front of you, you open up the rope and there's your jump. So I'm swinging, I can open and jump. So we recommend that you do like some double side swings. So swing, swing, jump, jump, or single side swings, swing, jump, as you get more and more comfortable with your side swings. The fourth skill we want to go over today is a crisscross, all right? This one's another fun one to do. Looks something like this, all right? Crossing those hands just like so. When you're doing this one, you want to make sure that you're giving yourself a really, really big hug, all right? So big hug, and you're crossing by your hips. If you cross up here, you can probably notice my rope is up. I can't jump that. So if you keep your hands by your hips and crossing really big, it gives you a better chance to get through that cross and finish it, all right? So I take a couple jumps, I get into my cross, the rope comes over my head. Once it comes over my head, then I can uncross, right? And then get right back into my normal basic bounces. So that looks something like this. You're jumping, cross. You're jumping, cross. You should not really lose your rhythm no matter what you're doing there, okay? The fifth and final skill you should try is something called a 360. Let me show you what this looks like. So I'm jumping in the front and I go all the way around, and I'm also taking a jump in the back. So how you set this one up, you're gonna take a jump in the front, you're going to turn and rotate. When you turn and rotate and you face the back, you're gonna do one backwards jump. Once you do your backwards jump, you have to continue that circle, pick your rope up. We always say to rainbow your rope, bring it back to the front, and then you jump it. So let's go over that again. Take a jump in the front, you're going to start turning. As you rotate, it's almost like you're doing a side swing and you are turning into that side swing. So I turn, pick my rope up, and I jump it. The second I jump it, the rope comes all the way up, and I finish it all the way back to the front. So let me show you what that looks like one more time. So it's jump, turn, jump, 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 turn, jump, jump. With the 360, once you get it one way, definitely try it the other way. You want to be efficient at doing that skill both directions, all right? So once again, those are your 5 freestyle skills you should be trying after you get very, very comfortable with your single bounce. If you look below, there's a variety of ropes down there that are for freestyle so that you can kind of work on some crosses, work on some speed steps, some footwork skills. So definitely look below and try that, and I'll see you for our next video.